Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Sunday. I already have my cup of coffee and I'm ready to show you guys what I purchased on Friday on both of their portfolios and also my sell of one of my positions. If you saw Friday's video, which I still have to reply to a few comments like Biohazards, Jeremy, and Legendary, but I'm gonna be replying to them today. I did make a sale on my portfolio, which I'm gonna be showing you in a minute. And I'm not gonna review today what the plan is with the proceeds, but I still haven't really decided. But I did see some of the comments in the comment section with some ideas or opinions on what to do with the proceeds from that sale. But let's go right into the updates tab. And if we go into the first purchase, of course, SCHD, $25 into SCHD. Share price was at $82.10. SCHD share price took a dip. It was at all-time highs at $84, but it took a nice dip. So I'm able to continue to buy weekly, no matter what the price is at, and that's gonna continue to be my strategy for many years. I'm not gonna stop, even if it goes up to $90. I'm gonna continue buying at least $25 into SCHD every week. So SCHD right now, my top position. Then let's go into my next purchase, which it was $25 into Visa. That's gonna be, I'm gonna continue buying Visa this year also. Share price was at $279.15. I know it's almost at all-time highs, right? But I do believe in this company long term, and I want to continue buying Visa this year. My goal is 4 shares, but I am going to continue into next year most likely. That's going to continue to be my strategy because I really want to grow this position and I want it to be my top 5 in my portfolio. Visa is also due a dividend increase in November. I do believe that they announced their dividend in November and then they pay it the first week of December. So I'm expecting a very nice double-digit % increase into Visa. So let's see how it goes with that one. Let's see, my third purchase was VYM, $20 into VYM. Share price was at $123.33. Then my next purchase was S&P 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, $10 into it weekly, $10. No matter what the price is at on the S&P. Share price was at $188.25. Then my last two purchases was a cup of coffee into each one of these positions. Just continuing to grow them slowly, which it was Pfizer and Kenvue. Pfizer ticker symbol PFE, $5. Share price was at $28.39. And then Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE, another $5. Share price was at $22.93. That one is above my cost, but I still can put $5 into it every week just to continue to grow it slowly, right? And total purchases was $89.78 for this week. And then I sold my MPW position, as you guys can see right here. It should clear on Monday, September 9th. But I sold all 63 of my shares and sold it at a share price of $4.90. $308.70 that I got back. Now I have that in my cash position. And also I sold the fractional. I had like 63.182. So the 0.182 is sold at $4.89 for an 89-cent return on this position. So Randy Matich finally sold my MPW position. I know you guys have mentioned it in the past many times in the comments. But I sold that one already. If we go into my portfolio right now, I deleted MPW from this line right here, but I did add as cash right now. So I have $325 in cash on the $16,604 dividend portfolio. I'm in the positive by 12% right now. And on this position right here, I also have $15 that I'm gonna be using to make my September weekly challenge purchase on Monday for Vici, which it was chosen by you guys. I'm gonna be making that purchase on Monday, $15 of them. So then I'll have $310 now in cash to see where am I gonna put that money into. Some of you guys in the comment section in the previous video, which I still gotta reply to a few comments like Biohazards, Legendary, and Jeremy. I have to reply back to your comments, which I'm gonna do today. And some of the comments or opinions were like put it all into Visa or put it into Vici, which are two of the positions that I really want to continue growing some more in this in the upcoming months. To be honest with you, I know Vici right now I'm up 12%. I'm way above my cost right now. Like my cost per share is at $29.75, and my share price and the share price right now is at $33.47. The real estate sector, it is performing better because of the all investors are expecting those interest rate cuts, not dividend cuts, interest rate cuts. So this sector usually benefits from that, from lower interest rates. So Vici right now is performing very nicely at 12%, but I do want to grow this position some more. Maybe my goal, once, I want it to be like at least 25 shares of Vici just to start and see where I go from there. But I really like that company. They own some very, very nice real estate that is just extremely popular in the Las Vegas Strip. So I do want to continue growing that position. The other one is O Realty Income. It's performing very nicely at 8.5%. I bought a lot of O when it went down into the mid 50s. I even bought in the low 50s. Some of you guys, I believe, also bought like in the high 40s when it went down to like high 40s. I think it was like around 49, if I'm not mistaken, $48 a share. So this one also performing very nicely. I'm just reinvesting the dividends on All Realty Income. I don't want to buy any shares right now, $62. I do want to focus on these two, mainly on Visa, ticker symbol V. I'm already at 3 shares. Share price is at $279, and my cost per share is at $268. Visa also, if we go into the stock analysis tab, and we go into the dividends, I was just reviewing it really quickly. Their dividend growth is 15.5% from last year. Payout ratio on their dividend 22%, and they should be due now in November when they announce their next dividend. They are due a dividend increase. So hopefully they do have like a very nice over 10% dividend growth on their dividend, which is gonna be very, very nice. And that's why also I wanna buy some more Visa so I can get some of that nice dividend growth, that nice and juicy dividend growth in this year, and then of course into next year. But with Visa, I'm planning most likely gonna continue to buy on a weekly basis into next year because I really want to grow this position right now. I really like Visa. We can go through the financials, but then that's gonna make the video longer. And this one, I have it. It is right now on the 7th spot. It's in my top 7 right now. I want it right up here, and I want it above. I want VYM in my 2nd spot, and then I want Visa in my 3rd spot. That's what I want it to be. I want it to be my top 3. I want it to be in my top 3 of my dividend portfolio. So that's gonna be my goal. Hopefully I can reach it next year. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach it this year, but I only invest about $100 every week. That's all I can afford as of right now. But that is really my goal with Visa. Now let's go into my growth portfolio, which is where I know even Jeremy mentioned in the comments in the previous video, which I'm gonna reply back. That's where there is some opportunity. So let's go into the buys first that I made, the purchases for this week. On this portfolio, I only deposit like about $20 on a weekly basis. But my first purchase, Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Alphabet is the name of the company, right? But I always call it Google. $10 into Alphabet. Share price was at $151.86. I'm gonna take a look next week to see if I can make a special deposit, even if it's like $20, and I'm gonna buy some more Google, to be honest with you. I like it around this share price. It took a very, very nice dip, so I do want to buy some more, to be honest with you. If I had more than that, if it continues to go down into the 140s, maybe even into the 130s, I'll most likely be making a special deposit from my high yield savings to buy some more Google, because I do believe that at this share price right now, it is a nice price to build your position right now. But of course, none of this is financial advice, guys. You guys gotta do your research, okay? I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just buying this and sharing this portfolio here on YouTube. My next one was $10 into Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Also took a share price dip, and I bought $10 at a share price of $172.56. I'm hoping Amazon also goes down some more. And then if it does, if both of them goes down, like maybe like another $10 in share price or a little bit more, I'll probably make like a $100 deposit or something like that. Maybe $150 for my high yield savings and put half and half into both of these positions right here. $10 into Amazon. Really want to grow that position. I am growing it slowly in this portfolio, but that's all I can deposit right now. But Jeremy did give a good opinion in the comments section that maybe I should put some of that money from the dividend portfolio into the growth portfolio, right? Maybe I can even grab some of those gains from that, or from that sale. It wasn't gains, sorry about that, but the sale of MPW. Maybe I could grab some of that money and put it into here. And these two companies are growing very nicely. Amazon, I do expect it to grow faster than Google. Google is set up, huge company. It will have growth. I do believe that. But it's gonna be slowly, but it's gonna compound very nicely. But Amazon, I do believe, is gonna have the fastest growth as of right now. Amazon is growing so fast and have so many sectors that they invest in. So I do expect Amazon to grow. And then my last one was $5.34 into VGT, my favorite ETF in the information technology sector. Of course, share price was at $534.16. That one is one that I'm planning on holding for at least 10 years before I sell. And most likely I'm going to be putting all that money into SCHD. So hopefully grows very, very nicely. And I get some nice returns. So total in purchases, $25. That's all I was able to deposit this week. But the portfolio continues to grow slowly, but it's growing. It is right now a market value of $1,405. Performance in the positive by 8% still, even though the stock market took a dip. But as you can see right here, my Google position, it is at 1.7 shares. My cost per share is $146. So if it goes under my cost, I'm definitely going to make a special deposit. I'm going to try my best to keep an eye on it this week, because it looks like this week is going to be another volatile week. So let's see where it goes. Share price right now is at $150.92 on Google. Tesla, I am still in the positive by 2%. This one has had a lot of volatility as of lately. I'm at 1.2 shares. They're announcing robotaxi in October. So let's see where the share price goes after that. But Tesla is one that I'm holding as of right now. I'm not buying any Tesla as of right now. Amazon, 0.9 shares. I'm almost at 1 share on this position. My cost per share is $156.76. The share price right now is at $171. I'm hoping it does go down a little bit more, maybe like another $10, so I can make a larger purchase on it. Maybe if it goes down under 160, then I think I'm going to be making that special purchase into Amazon. So let's see where it goes. I'm still in the positive by 9% on this position. And I really, really like Amazon. I have no cash on this position, only a couple cents. VGT and FNILX. FNILX is an index fund from Fidelity. I'm up by 14%. This one is nicely. Zero expense ratio. So I don't get charged. I get diversification. Pretty much growing my money for free. That's what it feels like. So, but you have to have a Fidelity brokerage account to be able to invest in these. And then VGT, one of my favorite ETFs, which I do want to hold for like at least 10 years and get some very nice gains, hopefully, right? We cannot predict the future, But honestly, everything is going towards tech for the future. Everything is just gonna be phones and computers and chips, Nvidia and Palantir and all these other companies. Everything is going that way. So why not just get a nice ETF like VGT, very diversified. It has CrowdStrike, Nvidia, um, Palantir, all those companies. So I'm just trying to go safer instead of buying some of those companies, right? They have a lot of volatility too. And just go into VGT, nice and safe. I put a couple dollars every week, just grow my money there nicely and much safer, right? It's not 100% safe, guys. None of these investing strategies are safe, but I do feel pretty safe with VGT. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so I can continue sharing my portfolio on YouTube. I do like to read your comments and reply to them personally, so don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about the sale? Where should I put it, right? Some people already put in the comments. SMG also put in the comments what I should do with the money, with the cash money. So I'm still gonna take my time. I'm gonna see how the stock market reacts or performs in September before I make a decision. But I have a few plans with it already. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.